If you are looking to move abroad with your loved ones or reunite with your spouse, children, parents, or extended relatives, then choosing a country with strong family reunification and permanent residency policies is key. Family-based permanent residency allows individuals to settle legally and permanently in another country through family ties, either by joining a citizen or permanent resident or applying together as a family unit. This pathway not only promotes family unity, but also gives you access to long-term residence, work rights, healthcare, education, and eventually citizenship. In many cases, let us explore some of the best countries that offer clear, supportive, and structured family-based permanent residency options for international familias. Canada is known globally for its open and welcoming immigration policies, especially when it comes to reuniting families. The family sponsorship program under the broader immigration system allows Canadian citizens and permanent residents to sponsor their spouse, common law partner, dependent children, parents, and grandparents. There is no discrimination based on gender, nationality, or how you formed your relationship, whether through marriage or long-term partnership. In Canada, spouses and dependent children get permanent residency relatively fast, while parents and grandparents may face longer wait times under the family reunification quota. Canada also offers super visas for long-term visits by parents and grandparents. While waiting for permanent residency approval, Canada values family unity and provides access to public healthcare, schools, work permits, and a clear path to full citizenship for family members. Australia provides various family visa subclasses for permanent residency, including options for partners, parents, children, and remaining relatives. If you are married to or in a long-term relationship with an Australian citizen permanent resident or eligible New Zealand citizen, you may apply for a partner visa, which leads to permanent residency after an initial temporary period. Parent visas are also available, though they come with long processing times and sometimes require a contribution payment. Child visas can be applied for by parents who are citizens or permanent residents and allow children to join them permanently in Australia. Australia's immigration system supports multicultural family life, and once approved, family members can enjoy full residency rights. New Zealand offers a family stream under its immigration policy, allowing partners, dependent children, and parents to join New Zealand citizens and residents. The partnership visa is suitable for married or de facto couples, while child and parent category visas provide options for other relatives. New Zealand emphasizes genuine relationships and long-term integration, so proof of relationship length, cohabitation, and financial support is important. Once granted permanent residency, families can live, work, and access healthcare and schooling in New Zealand. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom allows citizens and settled persons to bring over their partners, children, and in some cases parents under its family visa route. Spouse and partner visas are among the most common pathways and allow for an initial stay which can later be extended into permanent residence. UK has specific income thresholds and accommodation requirements to prove the sponsor can support the incoming family members. After 5 years of continuous residence on a family route, most applicants can apply for indefinite leave to remain, which grants full permanent right. Children born in the UK to settled parents can also gain citizenship directly. United States. The United States has one of the most structured family-based immigration systems in the world. Under the U.S. immigration law, family-based permanent residency is split into immediate relatives and family preference categories. Citizens can sponsor their spouses, children, and parents as immediate relatives without annual caps, while other relatives such as siblings fall under the family preference category with limited slots and longer wait times. Green card holders can also sponsor their spouses and unmarried children, though the processing times may vary. Once the family member receives a green card, they gain permanent resident status and may eventually apply for U.S. citizenship. Permanent allows family reunification for spouses and children of foreign workers, EU blue card holders, and German citizens. Once in Germany, spouses and children receive a residence permit that can lead to permanent residency after several years. Applicants must show sufficient income, stable housing, and in some cases basic language skills. Germany is particularly favorable for skilled workers bringing families through job contracts or student pathways. Transitioning to residency. Portugal is a top destination for families seeking residency. In Europe, thanks to its flexible immigration system and welcoming environment through the family reunification route, spouses, minor children, dependent adult children, and dependent parents can join a legal resident or citizen in Portugal once approved. Family members get a residence permit that allows them to live, work, and study in Portugal with full access to services. After 5 years of residence in Portugal, families can apply for permanent residency or citizenship. Portugal is also popular among digital nomads and entrepreneurs relocating with their family. Switzerland offers family-based residence permits for relatives of citizens and legal resident spouses, registered partners, cohabitants, and children under 18 can apply. For reunification, the sponsor must show the ability to financially support the incoming family members and provide suitable housing. Once approved, family members get access to public services, and after a few years they may apply for permanent residency and eventually Swedish citizenship. Sweden is family-friendly with excellent education, healthcare, and child support systems. Netherlands allows Dutch citizens and residents to apply for family reunification for their spouse, partner, and children. The sponsor must meet income and accommodation requirements, and in many cases language integration may be required. Family members receive a residence permit with work and education access and may later apply for permanent residency. The Dutch immigration system favors stable family life and integration into society. Norway has clear rules for family immigration, especially for spouses and children of residents or citizens. To qualify, you must prove a genuine relationship, sufficient income, and proper housing. Family members receive temporary residence permits, which can lead to permanent residency after 3 years of continuous stay. Norway offers a safe and supportive environment for raising children and living as a family. Choosing the right country for family-based permanent residency depends on your specific circumstances, relationship type, financial stability, and long-term goals. Each country has unique rules and timelines, but with proper planning, documentation, and understanding of the process, families can successfully relocate and build new lives abroad. Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box.